How to send confirmation emails or texts. In Encore, you have the option to send appointment confirmations automatically or manually. We will go over both ways in this tutorial. First, we need to set client contact preferences to be able to send them an email or text. Go to Utilities. Click Update Confirmation Preferences. Here, you can update contact preferences for all of your existing clients. You can choose to only update their preferences if they have a valid phone number or email address. If you check off Update Default Business Confirmation Preferences for new clients, this will change which boxes will be checked off when adding a new client. If you check off Update All Future Appointments with these new preferences, all future appointments will be updated to use the new preferences. Click Continue when done. Click on the System menu drop-down arrow. Here, you will see email templates and text templates. You can go to these areas to view the default templates or add your own. Click the eye in the upper right-hand corner to learn more about creating templates. Now, we will go over how to set up an event to send confirmations automatically. Go to Utilities. Click on Confirmation Events. Click Add New. Choose whether the event will send emails or text messages. Set the message template that you want to send. Automatic confirmations can be sent a certain number of hours or days before the client's appointment. Set how many hours or days before the appointment you want the confirmation sent. Choose the time of day that the confirmation will send at. Lastly, the Force Send option will make sure it always sends this scheduled confirmation. Check this off if you want them to receive the message even if they have already been sent one for the appointment previously. Click Save when done. To track who has received a message or to view any replies, go to the Guest section and look at the text or email history area. If you receive a reply, a red dot will appear to notify you. Next, we will show you how to send manual confirmation messages. Click on the Appointment Book. If you want to send to just one client, you can click on their appointment and click on the three-dot icon. Hover over confirmations and choose to send a text or an email. You can also send to all clients that are booked on a specific day. To do this, click on Confirm Appointments. Click on Send Emails or Send Texts. You will be prompted to skip sending to clients who have already been sent an email or text for their appointment, if there are any. We have now finished going over confirmations. Thanks for watching.